Hello and welcome to Crafty Tricks. Now today's trick is called Journey Through a Piece of Paper. No one will believe you when you tell them you can make a hole in a piece of paper this big enough for you to walk through. Well, we're going to show you how. Here it is, enjoy.
Right, so to do this what you need is an A4 piece of paper, a ruler, a pen and a pair of scissors. Right, for the purpose of this trick, ideally it should be an A5 piece of paper, so if you haven't got an A5 piece of paper, fold an A4 in half and then just cut it in half with a pair of scissors like this. Then the piece of paper looks even more impossible to climb through. So what you need to do is get your piece of paper, fold it in half like this, so the fold's at the top there, and then you get a ruler and you mark, and it's only rough this, about every half an inch with a little dot like this. So what you're going to be doing now is drawing a line from the centre piece of the paper here at the top to the outer edge, but don't come right to the edge, just off the edge there. So that's the first one. And now I'm going to be doing all the odd numbers. So now it's 3 next. And then 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Now drawing lines on all the even numbers, but we're coming from the edge here up to just below the centre at the top there, so that's going to be 2, 4. Right, now you take your paper, turn it like this, and you're going to cut. There's the first one, but not going right to the edge there, on those lines, every other one. Like that. All the way to the end, like this. Then you're going to spin your paper around, and you're going to cut the lines from that edge there up to there, but not going right to the edge again. And this is all the even numbers now. Right, we're now going to flatten the paper back out again, so we have to unfold all of these very carefully. Now take your scissors, and this is one last cut, not from the edge here, but from the first one in. And you're going to cut right down at the centre on the central line, just like this. Going to the end, but not right to the corner, this or at the side there, just coming through that one there. Now take your piece of paper and very, very carefully open it out into a ring like this. And then you stretch it out as wide as you can, and you pass straight through the piece of paper. Ta-da!